We don't typically stay at private campgrounds because we like to be in state parks and so that we can go hiking and we can do all sorts of outdoor recreation. But because we were going to be in Gettysburg and we want to be close to where everything is, we stayed at the Artillery Ridge Campground, which is a 1 mile bike ride to the national park. Um, it was a great place to stay. The sites are a little crowded as they usually are in private campgrounds, but there was a lot for us to do when we weren't exploring the national park. And so here's what we did, and here's what you can see here.